Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Minecraft launcher installation error. So without further ado, let's get started. So this problem occurs when you have multiple Minecraft launchers on your PC. Maybe you have some old Minecraft launchers. So what you need to do here is to go to installed apps, and then you need to look for Minecraft here. Minecraft launcher here. Make sure sorted out by all drivers here, and if you have multiple launchers here, just uninstall the old one, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to reinstall your normal Minecraft launcher. Again, on installed apps, just go to Minecraft launcher here again and uninstall it here, and after you do so, then go to Xbox app or Microsoft Store, and then re-download Minecraft launcher, and then look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to date and time settings, then make sure that date is set automatically, and then you need to press sync now. And after you do so, then you need to make sure that your operating system is fully updated. So go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And then if the problem persists, then go to on settings, go to accounts, then emails and accounts, and remove your account here that you're having right now. And then what you need to do here next is to basically add it again on the list here, add new account, and then restart your PC, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.